Alright everybody, here's an SMC Laguna that does not have a switch housing. I don't know if you want to call it an industrial or not, but it's got wood blades. And this fan is very important to me because I had one and I traded it to a different collector. And as it turns out, at the time it was just, another fan, but then my mom died, and this fan, well, the other one I had anyway, was actually, damn door. This one was actually the only fan I had ever purchased at Habitat with her. So I was very excited to get another one back. I got it running off this control, and right now it's hooked on this three-way. Switches it in between this fan and that one, and right now it's on that one, as you can see. So I'm going to click it. It is going to send power to that fan, which may or may not start up. Oh, it did. Good. So here's high speed on the white one. You can see it spins pretty fast, and it definitely stirs up the air quite a bit. Knock that bad boy down to about medium. Low. It's a great fan, and I'm trying to think of where I can put it in because it's important to me, but for now it just stays in here. Turn it back up too high. And off. I'm making videos of the other fans in here except the Dayton Lasco because there's already a video of it. Although I do have another one that's complete, so if I get the urge I may or may not change it out today. Probably not though. As you can see, that one's missing the bottom part. Excuse me. Alrighty. Anyway, and there we go. Hope you enjoyed.